back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. In this video I'm going to show you how to make Kadai mushroom. Come on, let's get started. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of groundnut oil to a Kadai. To this I'm going to add a small bay leaf, a small piece of cinnamon stick, 2 cardamoms and 2 cloves. Also to this I'm going to add 1 onion which I have thinly sliced. Saute this for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes I'm going to add 2 tomatoes which I have roughly sliced. Mix it and let this cook for 3 more minutes. I have roughly chopped 3 cloves of garlic and a small piece of ginger. I'm going to add it to this. If you have ginger garlic paste, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute this for a minute. To this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. You can adjust this according to your spice level. And 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Mix them well, and now I'm going to transfer this to a plate, cool it down and then grind it into a smooth paste. To the same kadai I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of oil. To this I'm going to add 1 onion and tri-colored capsicum. You can also add any one color of capsicum. We are just going to toss this for a minute on high flame and then transfer this to a plate. Now to the same kadai I'm going to add 200 grams of mushrooms. Adding little salt. Mix it and let this cook on high flame for a minute. To this I'm going to add the ground paste. Also add little water. Mix it well and let this cook for 5 minutes. You can taste this at this point and add salt and spice accordingly. And now let this cook for 2 minutes. And now this is almost done. I'm just going to add half a teaspoon of Kasthuri methi. Just crush it and add it. Mix it well. To this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of fresh thick cream. Mix it well. And towards the end I'm going to add the tossed vegetables. These should be crunchy, so add it towards the end. Mix it well. And now this is ready. Turn off the flame and you can serve this with hot chapatis. It's time to taste. I have served it with some hot chapatis. It's too good, you must definitely try this. I also made Moorg Malai chicken today for lunch. I have uploaded this recipe in my Instagram page, Living Flavors with Sunitha. So if you want, you can also check that recipe. I'll give the link in the description box below. Do try both the recipes and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. If you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.